All right. So let's get started. Today we're going to cover something called Three.js, and you can just get started by googling Three.js, three as in the numeral three worded out, THREE.js, and this is a cross-browser JavaScript library application programming interface used to create and display animated 3D graphic in a web browser using WebGL. The source code is hosted in this GitHub repository, and it was initially released in 2010. The authors are primarily Miss Doob, and it's at release 140 that was released on April 30th, 8 months ago, and it is an MIT license, so you can use it for your commercial as well as open source, all kind of activities. So it doesn't stop you from using for different flavors. That's a good thing. Now, getting into the Three.js library itself, it seems like a good option for web development. You just have to Google Three.js and just Google that. You get the first link, click on it, you end up with this nice page. It has a lot of these examples out here, and you can see that most of the examples, which kind of shows stuff on the web. So it is oriented towards the web, of course, and also it's mostly towards for a presentation and including some graphics on your web page. But beyond that, you can use this for developing a game as well, like the one shown over here in this example, like a robotic Android character which moves around as you make some keys, press some keys and stuff like that. And it has examples like to showcase, so it can build nice 3D components into your showcasing, like for example the sound visualizer over here. So it has nice ecosystem. It also has physics engine built into it for proper gaming kind of stuff if you would like. So let's take a look at it. What we have over here. This page also lays out different uh, things which is available for you to learn and develop. You can look at the learn. Of course, this is the examples, and you have right below it, the left documentation, then examples, editor, and community section, which is the questions, Discord, forum, and Twitter. You have the code section where you can go into the GitHub section. Let's start from GitHub, and you can download stuff and DevTools, which is there. DevTools, it gives an error, so we won't go into it. There is some and which is broken apparently. Let's see. Let's stick to some of this GitHub stuff and stuff, and also this page, rest of the sections on this page. They also have merch. Check that out. That's pretty much looks new. Let's see what they got and how does their page look like. Alright, they put in their geometric cube sim 3JS symbol onto the t-shirt. Pretty nominal pricing. You can try it if you like. Dropship, most likely, I believe. Anywho, let's get into this GitHub section where you have code issues, pull requests, and stuff like that. This was an introductory session so far. I'll get into the deal of GitHub and other stuff shortly.